What does it mean? To break off the yoke. You will throw his yoke off your neck. In other words, there was a yoke that Esau carried, a burden that came from Jacob. You know what it was? The yoke that was upon Esau was the wrong way in which Jacob went about. Because he took the birthright from Esau when Esau was vulnerable. When he was at his lowest point, Jacob entered in. And he didn't take it. I mean, Esau says he stole it from me, but he never stole it. You sold it. So Esau's not willing to take responsibility of his part of what went wrong in the story. He's not willing to take responsibility of my part of what went wrong in the story.